But now there's one new category that the DG can inquire into, and that is discrimination in employment.
My name is Louis Liao Wenxian, employment lawyer and the principal of Louis Liao Chambers.
Another thing that is new is the protection against discrimination. What is discrimination? Some reference can be made to our federal constitution. Article 81 says that all persons are equal before the law. There shall be no discrimination against citizens on the ground of race, religion, descent, place of birth, and gender. So section 69F is something new. Remember when I said things that happen during the employment period and you have any complaints, you have any issues, you make a complaint to the Director General. Last time it is only mainly about money issues. You didn't pay my salary, you didn't pay my overtime pay, etc. But now there's one new category that the DG can inquire into, and that is discrimination in employment. So if you think that you've been discriminated during employment, you can actually file a complaint under section 69F. And if the employer is found to have committed discrimination, he may be liable for a fine not exceeding 50,000 ringgit. And if it's continuous, a daily fine of 1,000 ringgit. But what is interesting is that it says discrimination in employment. So of course, this is a very new section. There's no cases that is reported on this section. So there's no clarification by judges as to what this section means. But from the wording discrimination in employment, I would take it as to mean that if a person decides to not offer you employment because of your certain race, it is discriminatory because, oh, I don't want to hire a Malay person, I don't want to hire Indian person, I only want to hire Chinese only. That is discrimination, but it is not discrimination in employment. It's a discrimination before employment. So I think that one is not protected under this section. You cannot complain about that. But discrimination in employment, such as for example, let's say you're only promoted because of your race, you're only given pay raises because of your race, that is discrimination in employment. And under this section, you can now complain to the DG.